Hello everyone, welcome to In 5 Minutes. In this video we are going to see the problem on exact differential equation. And we know that a differential equation is exact when partial differentiation of m with respect to y is equal to partial differentiation of n with respect to x. Then its solution is given by integration of m treating y as constant plus integration of n neglecting terms which having x equal to constant. So this is the solution. Basically we need to perform only these two steps. So this is our question. Solve this. So we need to find the solution of this equation. As you can see, this equation is of the form m dx plus n dy. As I have taught you, m will be the part of dx. So in this equation, if we compare these two equation, we will get m as this value. So m is y square exy square plus 4x cube. What is n? N is the term of dy. So dy term is this value. So this value is nothing but n. So after we find m and n, what we are going to do? We are going to check whether dou m by dou y is equal to dou n by dou x. For that, we will differentiate m first. Daba m by daba. Since here it is dx, so we will consider daba y. So we are going to differentiate m with respect to y and treating x as a constant. So in this case, x will remain constant. Since x is constant, so this part will be neglected in our differentiation, and this two terms is nothing but u into v, and we know that what is u into v rule. U into v is derivative of u and v remain as it is plus derivative of v, u remain as it is. So what is the derivative of u? That is 2y, and we will keep v as it is. Then we have derivative of v. Derivative of v is e raised to xy square. The derivative of e raised to xy square is nothing but the e raised to xy square into derivative of this part. So derivative of this part is x into 2y. So I can take this e raised to xy square common from both. So I will get e raised to xy square, and in the bracket it is only 2y remaining, and here we have 2y cube, and this x will remain as it is. So here we have 2xy cube. After this, we need to find the derivative of n with respect to x. Daba n by daba x is equal to, in this case we will consider y as constant. So is y is constant, so this term will be neglected. So in this we also have two terms, that is 2xy is one term and e raised to xy square is another term. This is our u and this is our v. So what is derivative of 2xy where y is constant? So the derivative will be 2y and this part will remain as it is. Now we have to take derivative of v, that is e raised to xy square derivative is nothing but e raised to x into y square into derivative of this part. So derivative of this part is when y is constant. So when y is constant, derivative of x is 1. So derivative of x is 1 and constant will remain as it is, and this u will be as it is. So 2xy. So this is our derivative of n. If I take e raised to xy square common, I will get this equation as 2y. Here 2y is remaining, and in this is 2x, and this y square and y square get multiplied to y cube. So from these two equations you can conclude that these two equations are exactly same. So daba m by daba y is equal to daba n by daba x. This indicates that given equation is exact differential equation. So when the given differential equation is exact, the solution is given by m treating y as constant into dx plus n neglecting terms which contain x into dy. So what is m? M is y square exy square plus 4x cube into dx plus n is 2xy exy square minus 3y square. In n we are going to neglect the term which contain x, so this term will whole be neglected and n will be equal to minus 3y square. So here it is minus 3y square into dy. So now we are going to do integration. So integration of this term and integration of this term. So integration of this term is very easy. Minus 3 is constant, so it can be taken out of the integration sign. What is integration of y square? Integration of y square is y raised to 2 plus 1 upon 2 plus 1. Similarly, here we have to integrate with respect to x, and we will consider y term as a constant. So y square will remain as it is. What is integration of e raised to x y square? It will be e raised to x y square upon the constant. In this case, the constant is y square. Plus, what is integration of 4x cube? 4 is a constant, so it can be taken out from the integration sign. Integration of x cube is x raised to 3 plus 1 upon 3 plus 1. So as you can see, this 4 and 3 plus 1 gets cancelled, and this y square gets cancelled, and 2 plus 1 and 3 gets cancelled. So our equation reduces to e raised to x y square plus x raised to 4 minus y cube equal to constant. So this is the solution of this problem. More such problem we will see in our next video. So stay tuned for our future lectures.